This is a well created and well organized document in my Microsoft Word application. Now, this video I want to share with you 5 things that you should have on your daily activities whenever you have contact with your Word application. The first option or the first activity is how to move a text. Now, in this Word document, and certainly in this first paragraph, if I want to move this particular text, which is footage, to a different section of my Word document, what you can do is to place your pointer and double click. This is going to select the word. Then you place your pointer on it. Make sure you have the normal pointer icon. Click and drag this into a different location. You can see that I have this new cursor look given to this mouse pointer, and wherever I want this particular word to be, I'm going to release the mouse. Therefore, I have moved or permanently moved this word from this original location to this current location. So when it comes to moving text, you can use the copy and paste option. You can use the cut and paste option. But a quick way is to select and drag the word, which is a very cool tip you can apply in your Word document. So let's assume I want to move this. I'm going to double click, click and drag and release. And this is not going to reorganize your text, rather it's just going to move and reposition your words in your Word document. So I have the online here, and also I have the footage here. So this is how to quickly move a text in your Word document. The next tip or the next activity is to apply page breaks in your Word document. And what is page break? Let me give you the screen tip. If you move to the menu bar and click on the layout tab, we have the page setup group and we have the breaks option. When you click on the drop down arrow, the first option you see is page, and the screen tip says mark the points at which one page ends and the next page begins. So in this case, in this current Word document, I want to use this fourth paragraph, which is 1, 2, 3, fourth paragraph. I want to move this paragraph to a different page or a new page. Therefore, you make sure the cursor is blinking at the beginning of the paragraph. That is the first line of that paragraph. Then you move to your layout tab and then click on bricks. Then choose page. Now what happened here is that this has break this particular document into a different page. So this becomes my first page. Then where we break this particular content has moved to the second page, and this is currently in page 2, and that is being shown on the status bar as page 2 of 4. So this is how to apply page breaks in your Word document. That is, if you want to move a certain portion to a new beginning of a page, you can use this trick. Another way to do this is when you have your cursor placed at the line of text, you can use Control key and the Enter key. This also applies this page break into your Word document, and this is very useful without manually pressing the Enter key several times to move this content into a different page. Rather, you can use these 2 tips or these 2 tricks to move a certain content into a different page. The next or the third tip is how to move a certain paragraph. And before you can move something in Microsoft Word, you need to select that particular item. Now this is my second paragraph. If I want to select this, I can triple click 1, 2, 3, and that is going to select this paragraph. Another way to select a paragraph is to place the pointer at the beginning on the line of that particular paragraph. That is, any line within that paragraph, you can place your pointer on it, then you double click. This is going to select your paragraph. Now, how can we move this paragraph? It is very similar to moving a certain text in Microsoft Word. So I'm going to place my mouse pointer on the selected paragraph, click and drag and release. Now you can see that I have moved this from this section to a new section in Microsoft Word. You can click and drag and release. Now I have moved this certain paragraph to the beginning of this Word document. So this is how to move a paragraph in Microsoft Word. The fourth tip or the fourth activity is how to enter a text in anywhere or any portion of your Word document. This is very simple and it is a hidden trick that most Word users do not know. You can quickly click anywhere in Microsoft Word and enter a text as similar to OneNote application. So let me move below this page. Now I have this page here. When you move your mouse pointer here, you have to double click, and when you do so, you can see that I have my cursor blinking here, and I can type any text over there. Double click, so you can see that I am entering a text in any portion or any section of my Word document, just double clicking and typing. So this is how to enter a text in any portion of your Word document. Now the last tip or the last activity is how to delete your text in Microsoft Word, and this is a traditional computing skills you should possess, and that is using the backspace and also the delete key. There are two different ways of using this particular keys, and some do have complications to understand these two keys. Now, if I place my mouse pointer in this certain paragraph and I use the backspace, this is going to delete from the right to the left, and when I use the delete key, this is going to delete from left to right. So this is the difference between the backspace and the delete key. The backspace is used to delete from right to left, whilst the delete key is used to delete from left to right. And when you add the control key to these keys, you can see that I am deleting word by word, and when I use the control plus delete, this is also deleting word by word. This gives you a quick way to delete your content or your text in Microsoft Word. So if you want to delete a character at a time, you can use the delete key or the backspace. But if you want to delete a word in a particular paragraph, then you should add the control key, which is a special purpose key, to your backspace key and your delete key. These are the normal and then traditional activities. You should have them, and that is going to boost your way of using Microsoft Word in the computing environment.